I'm about to go see what's happening with that good old Lake Pontchartrain. Been a minute. They always biting. They need to be biting. They gotta be biting. What's up? Yeah.
Out here at Lake Pontchartrain.
Yeah, repped out. The dumb way.
Huh?
That was y'all playing that young boy just now?
Yes, sir.
That's what I needed to hear.
Yes, sir.
What say? Wanna beware alligators in the air, no fish in the swim. I don't care about none of that. It's up. Let's see what we can do with this right here. Ooh, got him. Got him, boys. Got him, boys. Oh, nice size bass. Oh, that's crazy. Oh. Yep. Y'all see what time it is? Yeah, it's a fish, but he snagged too. Eel. It's a big old eel too. God dog. Another big ass eel.